Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Luverne SolidShield for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, like I mentioned, this is the SolidShield. It's a bumper guard, grill guard, bowl bar, brush guard, whatever you want to call it, for the front bumper on a RAM ProMaster, the one behind me. We're going to be doing an install on it, and this is a newer style bumper guard from Luverne. They've had the tough guard for larger trucks for a while, and then they came out with this SolidShield for the vans not too long ago. It's a relatively new product. This is how it ships to you, kind of saran wrapped and protected all in one unit. You can see here we have a box of hardware, so we'll open that here in a minute once we get the rest of this detangled. All right, now that we finally have this out of its packaging, it was very well protected. There's foam around all these tubular bars, wrapped in kind of this foam cloth, if you will, then saran wrapped all together. So our main piece here is this bumper guard, grill guard, bull bar, brush guard, whatever you want to call it. You can see the design here. It's designed specifically for the RAM ProMaster, so kind of matches a lot of the styling that the ProMaster has up front. It has some rubber little protectors here on the front. I believe at least these front ones are part of the design and how it's supposed to be installed. There's a couple other rubber protectors here like these ones. I'm not sure if that's just for shipping purposes or not. Once we get to installation, we'll find out more about that. So yeah, this is a very nice one-piece product. You can see down here, there's gonna be two mounting points where we're gonna integrate with our brackets into the front of the van. Underneath here, let's see if I can get a good view. Maybe on the overhead camera, if I flip this up, you can see there's some pre-threaded inserts right here for something. I don't know if that's for this bar up here. This is kind of like a accessory mounting bar on top of the SolidShield. This is all a black powder coat gloss finish. It has an e-coat on it as well, help prevent that rust and corrosion. You know, for how big this is, it doesn't feel that heavy. I thought it would be a lot heavier, but it just must be that, that tubular design that keeps it lightweight. As we open up this box of hardware, this should be all of our bracketry and hardware needed to connect it to the front of the van. So, got one bracket here. Another bracket looks like it's a duplicate or a mirror. Another angle bracket here. It's stamped with a P. It probably makes it helpful for installation purposes. We do have, this looks like some extra nut certs. So I'm not sure exactly what that is for. We've got our installation manual, which is good. A lot of manufacturers aren't including these nowadays, but we've got it there in the box. And then we have another one for D. So assuming the P and the D have to do with passenger versus driver side brackets. Another little small bracket here. Then we've got our bag of hardware. This all looks like it is just some hex bolts, some lock washers. They give you a little Allen wrench in here for one part of the installation. So everything that you need to install on the van is going to be a relatively easy installation, just looking in our bracketry here and hardware. There's not going to be a ton of work involved. You might need an extra helping hand to help you hold it in place while you're getting the brackets lined up and all that, but it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to come out with an installation video for this product pretty soon, so be sure to look out for that. Now, if you're looking for this SolidShield or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.